Welcome, everyone, to the Family Financial Workshop. Today, we'll explore ways to strengthen family connections through meaningful financial conversations. Hi, my name is Chris Holcomb. I'm a certified financial planner, certified Kingdom advisor, and chartered retirement plan specialist at Heritage Financial Advisors in Columbia, Maryland. If we haven't met before, I would enjoy getting to know you. Please call me at the office, 410-975-8387, or email me, Chris at heritagefinancialadvisors.com. These are the goals for today's workshop: defining wealth, sharing financial stories, strengthening family connections, and drafting a family mission statement. Today you will, number one, define what wealth means to you. Number two, share meaningful financial stories. Number three, strengthen family connection through open conversations. And number four, draft a family mission statement. In this segment, we'll reflect on what wealth means to us personally and how these perspectives influence family priorities. Defining wealth. What does wealth mean to you? How do you feel about saving, spending, and debt? Wealth and your income. Your income's influence. Has your income shaped your life decisions? What financial opportunities or challenges stand out? Write down your thoughts to share. Stories are powerful tools for teaching and connecting. Think about a financial mistake or a time you felt fortunate financially. Stories shape how we view money and success. Define a financial mistake or lesson learned. Share a time when you felt financially fortunate. Here are some prompts to help you craft your financial story. Share these stories to inspire and teach your family members. Your wealth journey. Number one, describe a time when persistence and effort paid off. Number two, what financial lessons would you like to pass on to your children? Number three, reflect on a time you didn't have enough money. Be authentic when sharing your financial journey. Both successes and struggles are valuable in creating connection. Storytelling tips. Keep it honest and authentic. Share both successes and struggles. Remember that stories create connection and learning opportunities. Now let's discuss ways to connect with your family about financial topics. What lessons or wishes would you share with them? What do you wish you had known about money earlier? Discuss your worries or hopes for family members, parents and grandparents, children and grandchildren. Here are some suggested activities to bring your family together. These activities build trust and help foster meaningful discussions. Sharing philanthropic goals, writing down family stories and history, discussing personal finance priorities, planning family trips or experiences. Use these prompts to reflect on your hopes and concerns for your family's future. What legacy do you want to leave? Reflect on these prompts. What concerns do you have for your children's future? What legacy do you want to leave as a family? Creating a family mission statement helps align your values and decisions. It provides a shared purpose for everyone. Why is a family mission statement important? Benefits: builds unity and shared purpose, guides decisions based on family values, and promotes intentional living. Step number one, call a family meeting in a special setting. The goal is to create a positive and open environment for discussion. Call a family meeting. Tips for success: choose a special time and place. Make it fun and positive. Set a collaborative tone. Step number two, discuss and write down values that are most important to your family. These values will form the foundation of your mission statement. Discuss family values. To identify these values, consider what values most to our family. Examples: honesty, faith, hard work, kindness, adventure, creativity. Step number three, draft your family mission statement using the values you've identified. Keep it simple, meaningful, and inspiring. Write it together. Combine shared values into a clear statement. Example: to live with integrity, compassion, and love. Here are some examples of family mission statements. Use these as inspiration to create your own. Example 1, to live a life full of love, compassion, and adventure. Example 2, we are family centered, hardworking, and honest. We grow together as a team. Step 4, refine and finalize your mission statement. Review it regularly and display it where everyone can see it. Refine your statement. Does it reflect your family's core values? Keep it simple, clear, and inspiring. Post it where everyone can see it. Take a moment to reflect on today's discussion. What insights or aha moments stood out for you? Write them down for future reference. Reflect on today's discussion. What did you learn about yourself? What surprised you about your family's financial stories? Write down key insights. Here are your next steps after the workshop. Next steps: share the workbook with family members. Schedule a family meeting to start your mission statement. Contact us for personalized financial planning guidance. Thank you for attending. Please feel free to reach out with any questions or further support. We're here to help your family thrive. Again, our contact information is chris@heritagefinancialadvisors.com. Office number is 410-975-8387. We'd love to hear from you, so give us a call or reach out to us via email. Have a great day.